Good
Hello.
morning.
This is a different setting. We
Yes.
sold our van and we are at the airport in Auckland again. This is our last day in New Zealand.
Yes, our New Zealand journey has come to an end.
Yes, after I think like 10.5 months or so.
Yeah.
So we are heading to Jakarta today to go to Indonesia for 4 weeks.
Yeah.
And we will visit a couple of other countries in Asia as well. So definitely some other footage coming up, and we are really looking forward to the trip again. Different country, different culture, different vibe. So
Yes.
yeah. In Jakarta now.
Yes.
It's hot again, no more sweaters. Humidity is high, it's tropical.
We arrived yesterday in the evening, and yeah, we really had to get used to it again because last time was 2 years ago.
Yes, so we have to get into the language again and get used to the climate. But yesterday was a public holiday, so it was really busy in the city.
Yeah, today as well, a little bit.
Today it's also busy, but less busy.
Yeah, you see the flag, the Indonesian flag everywhere, and everywhere there's police and
cops. So you can see here, like half the military showed up, and that's normal in Indonesia for a public holiday.
But yeah, tomorrow we will go to Bandung.
Yes, next destination. We will stay there for a couple of days, and then finally heading back to Jogja to see our friends. Selamat pagi.
Good morning.
We are in Bandung now.
Yes.
And as you can see, it's very busy.
Yeah, just as chaotic as Jakarta.
Yes, it's not really different.
No.
Today we're going to try to rent a motorbike and travel around a little bit.
Yeah.
So looking forward to that. We didn't really have the planning, so we'll see what we see.
Yes.
finally in Jogja again.
Yay!
So we're gonna get picked up in a bit by a taxi and we're going to the accommodation and then the new chapter starts of Indonesia.
Yes!
Woohoo! Yeah, finally back in Jogja. We have seen our friends
Yes.
again and we are going to meet many more in coming 2 weeks.
Yes. Now we're going to Jalan Malioboro, the shopping street.
Yes.
And after that, yeah, we'll see.
Yes.
Thank you guys for watching. In the next vlog you will see many more places in Jogja.
Yes, we are going to try to shoot some drone footage and we will visit many more places here in this region that we haven't been before.
Yes. See you next time.
See you next time and thanks for watching.